What's going on, everybody? Don't you love the crypto experience? One day we are at 53,000. A lot of people say we're going to go lower. The news cycle becomes very bearish, and they're like, wow, this is crypto. It's down. Then days later, in July, still this month, things happen. The news cycle is unstoppable, and the price of BTC reaches $66,000 just yesterday. Now 65 today, and you wonder, when is the next bump? Yes, everybody, crypto is here to stay. And I'm going to show you a few things that you don't want to miss. This is the reality. In the next couple of months, we're going to be seeing the first federal funds rate cut. Inflation go much lower. A new election coming up. And oh boy, yep, political news and crypto news are mixing together. Some people like it, some people don't. But at the end of the day, if you are an adult, I think you understand the importance to the markets. This is Crypto Slam, everybody. SlamX, Oscar Ramos here. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. First and foremost, I just want to show you this, guys. In last week alone, fear. A lot of people wondering, why are we not moving? Just yesterday and today, now, read. This is what you are subscribed to. The volatility of not waiting 40, 30 years holding Roth IRAs for one case and any other type of government tool, instrument, but your own crypto and education. The more you become aware of what crypto offers, the more, not you, but multimillionaires want to come. What do I mean? Well, take a look at this one. Most people know who Mark Cuban is, a billionaire, right? And he says price can go way higher than you think. It is bullish in Bitcoin because the supply has a limit of 21. So he knows that the dollar has trillions, and every single day billions are printed. USD, it is what it is. But Bitcoin is a fixed supply, and right now it's 65, and it is expected by some to go even at $1 million per one Bitcoin. Just let that sink in for a second. Well, it is true, guys. Okay. Now we also have this one, something that came out earlier in the month, but it's still super important. I want to make sure that you get it, because not this upcoming in a few more days at the end of the month, FOMC, but the one after. That's when they're forecasting the cut of the federal funds rate from Jerome Powell at the Federal Reserve. That happens. If right now you're already seeing 65, we could more or less predict an enormous 80,000 plus price of BTC, because this is going to be very bullish. There's one thing that I always like to mention, guys, which is a Bitcoin rainbow chart. As of right now, we're still in the still cheap scenario in the category, in this zone. But we were back in the day in the huddle just for a little bit. Just to give you an idea, if we go to the starting orange, is this a bubble? That is barely $100,000. You can see it right there. Let me go ahead and scroll down for a second. There you go. 97 to 125. That's the light orange. Is this a bubble? What does that mean? Of course, the price of BTC is forecasted by many analysts to go to that level, and it's barely that light orange. Yellow is going to be from 73 to 97. That yellow is coming up during 2024. That is my prediction. So why are people talking now suddenly on much better, higher prices? Let's lay out what happened. If you are living under a rock, you probably didn't know, but what happened a few days ago with the former president, Donald Trump, that kickstarted a bullish sentiment, meaning that politics is once again coming to the markets, which it's always been in the stock market. But lately, I think a lot of people are realizing how important that is for crypto too, as we're seeing in this administration just inform the nation of this upcoming BP pick bans. This person is going to be the destined BP if Donald Trump wins. And this person has announced before that he is bullish on Bitcoin. So, and has a prediction on BTC. there's definitely a lot of momentum when it comes to a Donald Trump presidency for the upcoming future, as far as what the price of Bitcoin is going to be, what the market is going to react. And with this accident, right, that happened at the rally, it's like everything is accelerating when it comes to the momentum. Usually, as we head to November in the election, that's when we see the prices go up. What do I mean? I'm not making things up. Behold, I have a study here in front of you where it's slashed by every US election every 4 years. 2012, 2016, 2020, and 2024. And you can notice every time that we have an election cycle, we pump after. We pumped and we pumped. So not only whoever the president is, typically that is kind of like the bull indicator, and November is a bullish month for crypto. Well, that's going to be our upcoming bullish month. And just happens to be that it is a president with a lot of controversy, of course, no questions asked, but just happens that it is very well received by the crypto community because he's still just announced a few days ago, he's still going to show up at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville. Now you understand why there's a lot of people very bullish right now, because the news cycle hasn't stopped. There's a lot of things going on in crypto, and I think nothing but bullish for you and me. By now, you're aware of what occurred, how it's going to impact the prices. And if you've been DCA and dollar cost averaging, buying the dip, like people say, I think right now you're seeing on your portfolio, your meme coins, your stable coins, your Bitcoin, your layer ones, your DeFi, your GameFi, and you're saying, and your NFTs, of course, you're saying, wow, what in the world is happening? It's crypto, and the best is yet to come. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Welcome once again to SlamX. Take a look at the links down below. Join the community, and we'll see you next time. Peace.